This is how to make a variable product in WooCommerce, generating every variation at once instead of filling one form at a time. Start with a name and a price. Then the attributes. Color: red, blue, green. And a second one. Size: small, medium, large. Now press Generate Matrix. Every combination is created at once. 9 real WooCommerce variations on a single screen. Stock and SKU go in per row, right here, without opening anything. Then you save the whole product once. Saved. Now let us look at what it actually produced. There it is in the product list. One variable product, priced from $24.90. And this is the real storefront page, with a drop-down for every attribute. Pick a color and a size. The price, the stock, and the Add to Cart button all respond. The plugin is Quick Variable Products. Search for it in your WordPress plugin screen or use the download link in the description below. It is free.